I spent over $30,000 on courses and coaching last year, so you don't have to. Alex here, and today I want to share what I have learned from spending $30,000 on courses so you can avoid those mistakes and save some money. You see, over the past year I've spent over $30,000 on courses and coaching alone, and I'm here to tell you what I have discovered and mistakes I've made so you don't do them. One of the biggest mistakes was buying too many general courses. You know, those courses that promise you everything about marketing, entrepreneurship, Facebook ads, email marketing, but they don't deliver. Most of them lack the specific knowledge you need to solve specific problems in your agency. So I would recommend you, if you're gonna buy one of those courses, to buy just one. You need only one course to show you how to run Facebook ads, how to sign clients, and give you the general overlook of what it is to be an agency owner. And then if you struggle with anything specific in your agency, I recommend you buy specific courses on that topic. Also, when you buy into those coaching programs that, let's say, have 500 to 1,000 students in them, on the coaching calls, many times the coach won't have enough time to answer everybody's questions. So again, buy one general course on how the agency should be structured, and then focus on one-to-one mentorship and coaching programs that are going to take you to the next level. When you dive into general courses, you might feel overwhelmed with the information provided. It becomes challenging to extract actionable tips that are relevant to your marketing agency and to the problem you're facing. So it's crucial to avoid the temptation of accumulating information and not taking action on it. So again, seek specialized knowledge. When it comes to starting an agency, you need only one course that specifically addresses that topic. Look for courses that cover the essentials, as I mentioned earlier: acquisition, fulfillment, building a team. The specialized courses and one-on-one mentorship narrows down the vast world of marketing into actionable steps for your agency. By getting into one-to-one mentorship, you'll get in-depth insights on how you can fix the problem you're facing. This focused approach allows you to gain the necessary skills to fix the problem and scale your agency. In my personal experience, the biggest breakthrough came for me when I joined one-on-one mentorship. Working with someone one-on-one who is further ahead will be able to guide you step by step through the issue you're facing and how to fix it. It's like having a trusted advisor that will guide you through the complexities of having a marketing agency and scaling. They will always provide feedback, insights, and tell you exactly what is wrong. This personalized approach will help you overcome obstacles, gain clarity, and make informed decisions that propel your agency forward. Here's the truth that many people overlook: no coaching, no course or mentorship will work for you if you don't take action. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement when you buy a course or you enter a mentorship program because you feel like you're making progress. But if you don't take action, you'll never succeed. So I urge you to take action. Apply the information you have learned and adjust them along the way. Taking action is the catalyst for growth and success. It's the bridge that connects knowledge with real-world results. Remember, even the best course and one-on-one mentorship can only guide you, but they won't do it for you. So you need to take action. Break down your tasks into manageable action steps, and don't be afraid to learn from your failures. Remember, it's a tough action, but I promise you it's so worth it in the end. I've noticed a lot of people buy courses and fall into the trap that they feel like they're making progress from simply consuming information. That is why it's very important to track your data and measure your results. In my agency, we track absolutely everything, from what my team is working on, how they're working on, how long it's taking them, what steps they took to achieve the goal. And when it comes to client fulfillment, again, we track absolutely everything. Performance of creative, audiences, campaigns. This is how we're able to measure results and improve what is not working and scale what is working. When you track everything, you have clear data on what you need to focus on, what you need to eliminate, and what you need to delegate. I've learned the hard way that spending a ton of money on courses is not going to take your agency to the next level if you don't take action and if you don't focus on the problems you're facing. One-on-one mentorship has been a game changer for me, and it's allowed me to scale my agency. If you don't have the money to invest in one-on-one mentorship or courses, find people that are at a similar level to you and have an agency, and just share information. What is working for you and what is working for them. I hope you enjoyed this video and it would help you to save some money and not waste it on pointless courses and coaching. So in conclusion, you need just one course that will show you everything when it comes to owning and running a marketing agency, and then focus on one-on-one mentorship that will fix a specific problem in your agency that you're facing. And I promise you, you will succeed. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.